Hey guys, I don't know if I was recording or not, but today we're gonna be reacting to the most scary space videos. So yeah, let's go. Okay. Most scary, most I see most scary songs, but that's close, and it's not what we're gonna be reacting to today. Yeah, most scary space sounds. Scary. The 18 most scary sounds captured in space. Let's see. See, guys. I will be ending the video whenever needed. Alright, yeah. Let's just wait for this at center of the Milky Way. Let's read what this says. Okay, so the center of the Milky Way, captured by the... I know. But actually, let's read it. Captured by the Hubble Space Telescope. I don't even... Okay. Let me just turn on my face cam. Because the only time it ever works is when I'm reacting to videos or when I'm just on the home screen. Okay, hi. Okay. I'm just gonna flip my... Look. Yeah, right over there. Guys, I think we have a problem. I think we have a problem, guys. Yeah, let's just try this again. Face cam. Okay, thank goodness it. Wait, it's the wrong way. My face cam is really just cursed, so like any camera on my iPad is cursed of when I have it the wrong way. Okay, let's go. Oh, it sounds relaxing and creepy at the same time.
Do you think space is silent? Well, it's not. In this video, I'll take you on a journey through the 18 most scary sounds ever recorded in the universe.
Okay.
They are real sounds captured by NASA and other space agencies, and trust me, they only get more terrifying as we go on. Let's begin.
Earth's magnetic field. That just sounds like a bunch of screwdrivers.
Let's start at the very beginning, the oldest sound in the universe. The Big Bang happened nearly 14 billion years ago, and while we can't hear it directly, we can detect its faint echo. Scientists call it the cosmic microwave background, CMB, a radiation signal spread across the universe. When translated into sound, it becomes a low, eerie hum, like the universe itself whispering its origins. It's a reminder that everything we see today started with a deafening explosion, still echoing through space.
It sounds like a sped up fart for some reason, or just me and GTA. Okay.
Black holes are some of the most mysterious objects in the universe.
Yeah, I know.
And one of them has been caught singing an incredibly deep note. In the Perseus Galaxy Cluster, scientists detected sound waves coming from a black
I've never
hole,
heard of that
stretching
galaxy.
across space for millions of light years. But here's the creepy part.
Mm-hmm.
The sound is 57 octaves below middle C, too deep for human ears. When sped up, it sounds like a low, haunting roar. It's as if the universe itself is growling from its darkest depths.
Hold on, guys. I just need to. It'll be quick, I promise. Why is that actually so scary? Okay. Let's get back to it.
Imagine being in deep space and suddenly hearing a steady, rhythmic beat, like a giant
That's
cosmic
creepy.
heart pulsing in the darkness. That's what pulsars do. Pulsars are rapidly spinning neutron stars that
I
send
already
out
knew
bursts
that.
of radio waves at regular intervals. Some pulse every few seconds, while others beat hundreds of times per second. When translated into sound, they create an eerie, robotic ticking, like the cold mechanical heartbeat of a dead star. Neptune is a cold, distant world, but the sounds recorded from it are anything but quiet. When Voyager 2 flew past the planet, it picked up strange whistling and howling noises
Yeah.
in Neptune's magnetosphere.
Okay.
These sounds, created by charged
I just wanna
particles
hear
moving
it.
through the planet's magnetic field, are high-pitched, ghostly, and unnatural. Some recordings sound like eerie alien whispers, others like distant, distorted screams. Floating in the darkness of space, Neptune plays a song that would send shivers down anyone's spine.
Okay. I'm already starting to go shivers.
Uranus is one of the most unusual planets in the solar
Uranus?
system.
It's called
It spins on its
Uranus,
side,
dumbass.
has a strange magnetic field, and produces bizarre, otherworldly sounds. When Voyager 2 flew by Uranus, it captured eerie radio emissions linked to the planet's auroras. The sounds resemble a mix of high-pitched screeches and deep, unnatural tones, almost like a distorted alien signal.
I don't care.
Unlike the auroras on
Oh,
Earth, which create
okay.
beautiful lights,
Okay.
Uranus's auroras sound like something out of a sci-fi horror movie. It's as if the planet itself is whispering a warning.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah.
Itself is
Yeah,
whispering
right.
a warning.
Okay.
Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, and it also has one of the loudest voices.
Okay,
When
let's see.
spacecraft like Voyager and Juno recorded radio emissions from Jupiter, they picked up something truly unsettling. A deep, powerful roar mixed with chaotic bursts of noise. These sounds come from Jupiter's intense magnetic field and powerful radiation belts, which produce a kind of natural radio storm. Some recordings sound like growling thunder, others like a monstrous engine revving in deep space.
I just want to hear. My ears are about to explode. My ears are about to go supernova.
Comets are often called dirty snowballs, but one of them seems to be singing through space. When the Rosetta spacecraft approached Comet 67P, it detected something unexpected, a strange,
Okay, I'm not
rhythmic
gonna say it.
whistling sound. Scientists believe these sounds come from charged particles interacting with the comet's magnetic field, but the result is haunting. The comet hums and whispers like a ghostly choir drifting through the void. Some have even compared it to an alien transmission.
Really? You think that life could appear in a comet? A comet with no star? No atmosphere? I can't take this. Okay, 11.
The sun might look calm from Earth, but up close it's constantly rumbling. Scientists have detected a deep, continuous
Okay.
hum coming from our star, created by plasma waves moving through its surface. This eerie sound captured by NASA's SOHO spacecraft is a low, droning vibration, almost like the
Okay,
sun
let's see.
itself is breathing. It never stops, never changes, and feels strangely alive. Mars has always fascinated scientists, but
I couldn't believe what my eyes were hearing. Okay, let's move on to
in
Mars.
2018,
2000.
NASA's InSight lander recorded something truly chilling, the first real sounds from Mars. The recordings captured the deep, ghostly howling of Martian winds, a lonely sound as it sweeps across the barren landscape. But even stranger are the unexplained low rumbles picked up from beneath the surface.
Okay.
Possible evidence of Marsquakes shaking the planet. Sounds
Oh,
feel strangely
Marsquakes.
familiar, yet
I've heard of them
completely
before.
alien. It's as if Mars is trying to speak, its voice lost in the wind of a world that has been dead for millions of years.
Okay, let's see. That's strangely calming.
Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings, but few people know they also sing, and the sound is terrifying. When the Cassini spacecraft flew through the rings, it recorded bizarre screeching noises that sounded like something straight out of a horror movie. Scientists believe these sounds come from charged particles colliding with each other and Saturn's magnetic field, but that doesn't make them any less unsettling. The eerie frequencies shift and change, almost like whispering voices in the dark. Saturn's rings may look peaceful, but when you hear them, they feel strangely alive, and maybe even watching.
Nope. I am not going to Saturn. Also because I'm gonna die instantly. Because there's no land. And I could try landing on the rings, but those are made of rocks.
I want to stop you here for a moment. I want to tell you a real story about Saturn. In 2002, NASA's Cassini spacecraft was on its long journey to Saturn when it picked up something utterly bizarre, something that shouldn't exist. It was a sound, a deep, haunting, otherworldly noise that seemed to whisper from the darkness of space itself. Cassini's radio and plasma wave science instrument detected intense radio emissions coming from Saturn. These weren't just random signals, they had structure. They pulsed, shifted, and formed patterns, almost like a ghostly song, playing through the vacuum of space. But space is silent, right? The sounds were later translated into human audible frequencies, and what NASA heard was chilling. It resembled eerie, wailing howls, something straight out of a sci-fi horror film. Some scientists likened it to the unsettling calls of alien creatures, while others compared it to an eerie cosmic symphony. At first, no one knew what was causing these radio waves. Some speculated it could be a sign of extraterrestrial life. Others thought it might be Saturn itself communicating in ways beyond human comprehension. Eventually, scientists determined that the sounds were caused by Saturn's auroras, powerful radio waves generated by interactions between the planet's magnetic field and charged particles from the solar wind. But even with this explanation, one question remained. Why do Saturn's signals sound so much like something alive? Some believe the universe speaks to us in ways we don't yet understand, and perhaps if we listen closely, we'll hear something unexpected in the great cosmic silence. One thing is certain, space may be vast and cold, but sometimes if you're in the right place with the right instruments, it whispers back. The Voyager 1 spacecraft has traveled farther than any other human-made object, and in 2012, it crossed into interstellar space. But as it left the solar system, it recorded something unexpected, a sudden, eerie shift in sound. The recordings captured strange, high-pitched waves like the wailing of the cosmos itself. Scientists believe these sounds come from shocks in interstellar plasma, but the result is haunting. It's like Voyager stepped into a new dimension, where the universe speaks in ghostly tones. For the first time, we heard the void beyond our solar system, and it doesn't sound empty. It sounds alive. May seem familiar, but in space, it produces one of the eeriest sounds ever recorded.
I can barely
the Van
breathe
Allen
now.
probes picked up a strange musical sound coming from Earth's magnetosphere, a high-pitched chorus of chirps and whistles. It sounds almost like a choir of robotic birds singing in space, but it's actually electrons interacting with Earth's magnetic field. The effect is haunting, as if the planet itself is whispering. Even stranger? Some astronauts have reported hearing odd radio-like signals when floating.
Guys, I think we're gonna end this video now. I'm too terrified.